You have big dreams. You want the physique, the business, the money, the respect. But when it's time to move, you don't. You say, tomorrow.
And tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And slowly, you start doubting yourself. Let's be clear. You're not lazy. You're overwhelmed.
But here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need a smarter strategy. Here's how you fix it. Step 1. Shrink the target. Your goals feel heavy because you're staring at the whole mountain. You want to write a book? You imagine 200 pages. You want to get fit? You imagine 365 days of discipline. You want to learn coding? You imagine months of frustration. Of course your brain panics, so shrink it. Not 200 pages, 1 sentence. Not a full workout, 5 push-ups. Not a 2-hour study session, 10 minutes. Your brain resists big threats. It accepts small moves. Small wins build momentum. Momentum builds identity, and identity builds results.
Step 2. Design the environment. Stop relying on willpower. Willpower is unstable. Systems win. If you want to train, keep your shoes visible. If you want to read, keep the book on your desk. If you want to build, open the laptop before you sleep. Make the right action easier than the wrong one. You don't rise to your goals. You build your systems towards it. So build systems.
Step 3. The 2-minute execution rule. The hardest part of any mission? Starting. So here's the secret rule. Work for 2 minutes. That's it. Study for 2 minutes. Write for 2 minutes. Clean for 2 minutes. Train for 2 minutes. Once you begin, resistance drops. Action kills overthinking. Motion creates emotion. And most days, 2 minutes turns into 20. Still here? Good. Here's a bonus for people who don't quit. Don't reward success. Reward execution. Finished your 2 minutes? Good. You won. Play a song. Take a short break. Mark it on a habit tracker. You're training your brain to associate action with pleasure. That's how habits are built. Right now, your fire is small, a spark. Every small action you take adds fuel. Miss a day? Fine. Don't miss twice. This isn't about perfection. This is about identity. Are you someone who waits or someone who moves? Start today.
The MRX Project isn't about motivation. This is where we train discipline. Drop a comment. What's the one habit you're committing to for 2 minutes today? Make it public. Subscribe to be better. Now move.